Hey Kate, this is for you. Okay, so you heat up the pan first. Okay, this is broccoli 101. Or any other vegetable too, a lot of other vegetables. So heat up the pan, get it really, really hot. This is a super duper wok, but you can also use a frying pan. Then you add the oil. So if you heat the pan when it's oiled, then your fire alarm goes off. Okay, so you want to heat up the pan first and then put the oil in. So here we go. I'm just do a little splash of olive oil. Okay, and see how that melts? All right, and then I'm cooking broccoli tonight. I'm cooking the broccoli. Then it's kind of searing, okay? So you want to sear the broccoli in the olive oil. No water. Only olive oil and the hot pan. Okay? And I'm going to put a little olive oil on top. Okay? Now, take some pepper. Sea salt, or Himalayan sea salt is good too. Garlic powder. Okay, spice it up, then stir it around. Super high heat. Okay, you can also do this for frozen veggies. Just stir that around. Okay, if you get really, really good, you can do this. Whatever, okay? All right, there we go. Now, I actually might just add one more little splash of olive oil. Okay. And again, what you want to do is you want to cook it on a super high heat, only for like 5 minutes. And then you can actually put, a cover on it like that. Turn the heat off, and the broccoli still cooks a little bit, so it gets a little tender in the inside. But you definitely want to just sear the outside. So it's nice and crispy, no water, only olive oil, salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, if you have cilantro or parsley, whatever you have. Okay, maybe a little oregano, whatever. Tonight I just did the garlic powder, the salt and pepper. Okay, all right, and that's it. So I've only been on here about 5 minutes, or 3 minutes. Okay, I'm kind of whipping it around a little bit, stirring quickly. All right. This is like super duper good broccoli. So I'm going to put the cover on. So the moisture gets in, so it kind of like makes it a little bit softer, but it's not soggy. All right? Okay. Bye. Good luck.